So now we are looking at question number 7. It's an interesting one. And once you will again understand how to solve a question like this, I can guarantee you will become ready to solve any kind of profit and loss questions of your standard once you get clarity about how do you handle or solve these type of questions. A very nice question this one is. A vendor buys lemons at rupees 25 per dozen. So for in a dozen we know there are 12 units, and to buy 12 units the vendor pays 25 rupees. However, he sells 5 lemons at rupees 12. Find his gain or loss percentage. Very nice question. So we know the cost price of 12 lemons, which is 25. We know the selling price of 5 lemons for rupees 12. We need to find out the gain or loss percentage. So let's solve this. The cost price of 12 lemons is equal to rupees 25, and the reason why I'm saying 12 is because per dozen rate of lemon is rupees 25 for the vendor. Okay, now we will find out the cost price of one lemon is equal to 25 by 12, and this is as per the unitary method. I have made a couple of videos on the unitary method to help explain this concept. I will request you to go through those videos in the playlist and learn more about the unitary method. And in short, unitary method is used to find the value of 1 so that we can use that answer to find values of more than 1 when required, because currently in this particular question we don't know the value of 1. We know the value of 12, but we don't know the value of 1. Okay, so the value of 1 when you look at this particular situation is 25 by 12, a price of 2.083, and I will call it rupees 2.08 and limit it to 2 decimal only, is the price or the cost of one lemon for the vendor. So this is the cost price of one lemon for the vendor, which is rupees 2.08. And we also know selling price of 5 lemon is equal to rupees 12. This is given in our question over here, that the sale price of 5 lemons is equal to rupees 12. With the unitary method again, the selling price of one lemon is going to be 12 by 5, and this will come out to be 2.4 rupees when you will do the division. Now we know one selling price of one lemon is equal to rupees 2.4, then selling price of 12 lemon is equal to 2.4 into 12, right? And when we will do the multiplication, so this will come out to be 28.8 rupees. Now we know the value, we know the selling price of 12 lemon is 28.8 rupees, and we know the cost price of 12 lemon for the vendor is rupees 25. Now if given that the selling price is more than the cost price, this is a gain situation, so gain or profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This will be 28.8 minus 25.0. This will give us 3.8 rupees of profit. And in order to calculate the gain percentage, this will be gain by CP into 100. Our gain is 3.8 by 25 into 100. This will go by 5, this will go by 20. For this you will get 4, and when you will multiply 3.8 into 4, you will get 2. 12 and 3, 15. Your answer is going to be 15.2%. This is the reason why I was saying at the start of the question that this is going to be an interesting one. Yeah, so let me again quickly recap what we have learned in this question. We knew the cost price of 12 lemon is rupees 25, which is given over here. We also found out the cost price of 1 lemon for our understanding, which was rupees 2.08. Likewise, with the help of unitary method, we were able to find out the selling price of 1 lemon, which is rupees 2.40, given that the selling price of 5 lemon is rupees 12. And once we found out with the unitary method what is the selling price of 1 lemon, we multiplied it with the 12 here, and we got rupees 28.8 as the selling price of 12 lemon. However, the vendor purchased the 12 lemon at the price of rupees 25. So it's a gain profit situation. The selling price of 12 lemon is 28.8. The cost price of 12 lemon is 25.0. The gain is 3.8. And when you calculate the gain percentage over here, gain by cost price into 100, you will get 15.2% as your answer. An amazing question. I hope you have been able to follow me. If you are not able to follow me in this question, please do let me know, and I will make a separate video on a question like this in the future as well, so that we can look at it into detail. But I hope maybe you can do a little bit of back and forth to understand different steps that I have taken in this answer and approach.